new computer and you've put all the parts almost together and then you realise, shit, I forgot to buy thermal paste. What the heck, Linus? What am I meant to use now? Well, I'm going to try and use ketchup. I'll let you know how it goes. So, for this experiment, guess what I fucking did? I used ketchup instead of thermal paste. It's quite self-explanatory if I'm honest. But let's look at the results. Did it actually work? Did anyone die? Well, let's see. Okay, so as you can see in this graph, which I totally didn't predict and I'm actually looking at instead. I'm not making up bullshit. What I'm guessing what happened and what you're probably seeing right now is that it actually works because it's just fucking thermal paste. Like, people will try and sell you these advancements in fucking humanity that are thermal pastes with all these technologies, but actually it's just fucking thermal paste. Like, it's pretty much anything will work. Ketchup will probably work. Look at the charts. It might not work as well, and that's what I predict will happen. But it does work. So don't go for all that marketing bullshit is what I'm trying to say with this experiment. So guys, we thought we'd do something interesting. We're gonna start a challenge. It's called Will It Thermal Paste. So if you can think of something that will outperform my ketchup, just put it down in the comments. That's what they're called. Put them down in the comments. We'll pick one. If you can outperform me, we'll think of a prize to give you. And don't be too ridiculous. Like, I'm not gonna smear lube on my CPU, but just think of something. Anyway, guys, I've been Naz. You've been great, and peace. See you later.